Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I feel really good today, so I'm moving my hands this way. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell down below, get notifications of when I go live, of when I have new videos. It's very cool, it's very hip, it's very modern. Like my dark summer look. Very dark and mysterious. What are these for? Well, they're my magical iridescent scissors that my husband bought me just for my channel. I have this very hefty Boxycharm Premium. It is heavy as shit. It feels like there's a brick in here. And the box is like gouged. But I don't mind. Let's see what's in here. I heard that this is really good. I was talking to one of my besties, Candy Sass, and she was telling me how awesome her premium was. So I can't wait to see. And it is, I had a hint from the drop shop about something that was in the box, and I was really excited about it, and it's there. And it says status 000 Boxycharm, and I've got my calculator to calculate the value. This is like a $39 box, or 40. It might be 40, $39.99. Let's call it $40. And it has 6 items in it, and the first item, I can't deny that I am very excited about it. Very excited indeed. What is it? It is the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism Palette. And this is great. I love Lunar Beauty. I have several of Manny MUA's palettes. And this is a palette that I liked, but I was like, do I need another nude palette? No. If it's free in my Boxycharm, will I be excited about it? Yes, I am! I am very excited about it. Because his quality is fantastic, and I really enjoy his formula. And to have him in Boxycharm, I think is a big deal because he's indie. I mean, he's a bigger look at this packaging with the iridescent moon and just the beautiful flowers. They look like cherry blossoms, and I love a cherry blossom. Let's get rid of that. And it is just a gorgeous nude palette. And these shimmers are otherworldly. His shimmer formula is fantastic, and his matte formula is really good. And I'm not going to swatch it because I'm going to do a video with it. I'm probably not going to swatch all of it, but look at those shimmers. They're so cool. In fact, I'm going to go in to one of the shimmers and put it here on my little brow. And this is called So Icy. It's sending my look next level. So Icy. That looks so good. That made my palette, my eyeshadow was really look even better. So I'm very excited. This is $48 and well worth it. Super excited. That makes my box right there. Oh my god, no wonder my box was so heavy. I have, it looks like a shampoo and conditioner in here, and it is the Outre, O-U-T-R-E apostrophe Outre, by somebody. It is Best Bud Shampoo Conditioner Duo. It's CBD conditioning shampoo and conditioner. Healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp. This daily duo repairs and hydrates stressed out strands with natural ingredients like jojoba, baboba, and avocado, while anti-inflammatory benefits of CBD oil nourish and soothe your scalp. It's great for all hair types too. Tame frizz, protect your hair color, and add lustrous shine. $66. That's amazing. I mean, I'm using some really good Redken Color shampoo. It's called color magnet or something. And because I have such fancy color in my hair. But I'll be excited. This is great. I'm really excited. This is supposed to be some really good shampoo and conditioner. It's got like a little pearlescent look to the shampoo. It's really cool. I'm loving this box. I heard it was good, but man, it's real fucking good. All right, next up from Bare Minerals. Oh, I chose this. Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream, Broad Spectrum SPF 30. #1 tinted moisturizer in the US. This 3-in-1 multitasker is a moisturizer, skin tint, and SPF 30 with hyaluronic acid to boost hydration for a dewy, healthy looking glow. $37. And I got it in Opal 01 because I am fair as hell. I've got a little tan from going to the pool and walking, but I use sunscreen. Let me do a little test spot. Look how beautiful this packaging is. This is very nice. It looks very classy. And it's got a little seal, little protector seal here. I hope it's a good match because I love a tinted moisturizer. I know I've got full glam on today, but that looks pretty good. That blended in really nice. That's excellent. Let me get a tissue. That's great. That looks great. Super excited. That was $37. 37 doll hairs. And then from Avant, which is a very nice high price brand, it is Avant Skincare Blue Volcanic Stone Purifying and Antioxidizing Gel Cleansing Gel. A mild non-drying gel. This aims to effortlessly eliminate excess oil, dirt, and makeup without leaving skin feeling overexposed, with a cocktail of antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant extracts that helps prevent breakouts and soothe irritation. Perfect first step in your skincare regime. What? 110 doll hairs. I told you it was high price. I told you it was fancy. Oh, Lord. I'm coming, Elizabeth. This is too expensive. I'm glad it's in this box. That's insane. That is insane. And then I have from Herbivore, which is a great skincare company, Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water Hydrating Face Mist. I love a face mist. And let's take a look at it and read about it. A super fine spray that creates a gentle cloud of 100% natural, hydrating and soothing vegan hyaluronic acid, organic rose hydrosol, coconut water, and hibiscus extract. $34. Oh, that looks nice. It's a nice glass bottle. Ooh, that is a fine mist. And it smells nice. It smells like rose, but not too much rose. Hell yeah. I got a face mist this month also in my Ipsy, but I don't mind getting a couple of face mists, especially if they have a super fine spray, which that does. And last, and very much least, Luxy brushes has some sponges. And I don't use sponges anymore. I'm a brush girl now. But somebody will get this in a box. I've got a giveaway coming up on August 1st for my 3-year anniversary. Luxy all-purpose sponge set. The duo-sided beauty sponge is best used damp, made for your liquid complexion products. The sponge absorbs the least amount of product and applies the majority of it on your skin. The microfiber sponge used dry will apply your powder products smoothly, or use wet will apply your liquid products with no lines of demarcation. $40! I think people charge too much for sponges. That brings my box to a total of $339. and $35. And it is definitely worth the money this month. I totally got my money's worth. It is totally a great box. And you know, they had to have something like, here's some sponges. Here's some sponges. We got the really overpriced cleanser. We got the really nice tinted moisturizer. We got a shampoo and conditioner that's high-end. We got a nice face spray. And we got a Lunar Beauty palette, which is fantastic. I cannot complain. This is better than my Luxy box from last month. Or whatever. I think it was last month I got a Luxy box. This is better than my Luxy box. Fantastic. Way to go, Boxycharm. This month total, because I get the base box and the premium, and I get Lux when it comes time for that. So I've spent less than, let's see, the base box is $29. This is $39, so $40, $30, $70, and I've gotten over $535 worth of stuff, and it's stuff that I'll actually use, which is fan-fucking-tastic. So thanks, Boxycharm. What a good month. What a good month. You guys are rocking it out. I love it. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.